Letinye tetinto letawuhamba imbili kulomhlangano lotobanja ngokusebenzisa inhlelo yobuchwepheshe ngempelasonto ludzaba lekumele eceleni kwamalungu lekusafanele kugeze amagama awo nithole labeka dona nelidzaba lemengameli waphambili Jacob Zuma. Imitsetfo lenhlangano ithi ilunga leliswela ngenkohlakalo lamanye amacala lamatima lafaka ekhatsi labo abathule ngento lamanye amacala kufanele behle etikhundleni tabo noma emsebentini lebakuwo. Mapaleni jikelele lenhlangano Ace Magashule kulindeleke yavela ngentolo ngamhla 15 kule nyanga nemacala ekukhwabanisa lenkohlakalo leyamene nemtlambo ngo-2014 lungunzaba mlonyeni lejabo ye-Free State kepha solo ubambelele esikhundleni sakhe.
If we are not confident, then it means that we are not loyal to our own processes. You know, remember the process of developing the guidelines. It's a process that was agreed upon by our NEC mid-year last year. It's an issue that the NEC has long agreed on, and the NEC had agreed that first there was that process of the officials engaging with various legal opinions on that specific matter, and there was feedback. The matter of confidence is neither here nor there, because this is really a process that we had initiated ourselves.
Kukhona kushayisana ngembono etinhlakeni te-ANC etahlukene ngelidzaba lemengameli waphambili Jacob Zuma lekungafuni kubambisana nekomishana phela ngekubanjwa kwembuso ngaBongani. Bomkantshubovu bomkhondo wesizwe bayasekela isincumo saZuma kanti inhlangano bomkantshubovu beANC ayihambisani naso. Kuleli viki lephelele umholo we-EFF Julius Malema ubambe umhlangano naZuma ekhaya lakhe eNgandla. iANC KwaZulu-Natal siyende libito lokuthi bungenele lebaholi bavela lonke kule nhlangano.
Our view is that all of us who are concerned within and outside the ANC must, to a larger extent, especially those of us who are in the ANC, call upon the national officials of the ANC to rise to the occasion, to engage with the former president of the ANC, to make him understand the implications of the position that he has adopted.
Kepha mabe uthi amalunga lesisetulu kule nhlangano kuvela ngatakhulumisana lo mengameli waphambili nole nhlangano lekusele kuthi nje lokho kutawendiwa nini.
There is a standing resolution of the National Executive Committee that officials must engage with former President Jacob Zuma. So that decision is there. It really depends on their diaries.
Lokunye lutabuyisiswa lomhlangano nakusasana ngelisonto ludzaba le-COVID-19 ekuvuswa komnotho nelidzaba lelukhetho lobuhulumende basemakhaya lenzethu libanje ngekuhamba kwesikhathi kulomnyaka.